Start and then type regedit in the search box. Select regedit from the list. When you get the registry editor, navigate to hkey_local_machine system current control set control class curly bracket open 4D368-965-E325-11CE-BFC1-08002 BE10318 curly bracket closed. In the right pane, right-click Upper Filters and delete it. Click Yes to confirm. In the right pane, right-click Lower Filters and delete it. Click Yes to confirm. Close the registry editor and restart the computer. If the problem persists, click Start and then type Device Manager in the search box. Select Device Manager from the list. Locate the CD/DVD drive section and expand it. Right-click the driver listed under it and select Update Driver Software. Wait for the completion of the process. If you get a message that the best driver software is already installed, right-click the driver and select Uninstall, and then click OK to confirm. Restart the computer.